Hey guys, back for another episode of getting this RB together. So we disassembled it. We brought the block to get it hot tanked. They did what they could to clean out the water jacket. I'm still gonna have to probably go in there with like a CLR or something to get some of the rust out, I think. But the outside of the block is all cleaned up and it is ready for some MRO, Seymour MRO paint. This is supposed to be like kind of like the stuff that is most similar to OEM paint for an engine. This is a 60-ounce can, should do more than a couple blocks. And so let's get started. We're gonna spray this block and then we'll see what we do after that. We might have to spray our RB30 block when we get it too. Ooh, a little dry there. Alright, one last coat. Let's get this good. Get nice and even. And this stuff goes on real thick too, so it actually looks real nice already. Has good fill. We have the painted bare block here, and we're going to start by honing out all the cylinders and then facing the deck surface with a sharpening stone. So let's get to it. So honing the cylinders is basically going to add crosshatch again, which is what basically shapes the rings into the precise fit of each cylinder, and it'll also get rid of any corrosion that's in there as long as there's no pitting. So I'm going to turn this back a little bit and we should be good to get started. So what I'll do is I'll try and get a few different angles while we're doing it. This is a honing tool. This is a 3-stone honing tool. So these basically spring out towards the cylinder wall, and that is what gets our it's actually a sharpening stone in there too, so that's what actually gets our finish. So I just have a quick can of engine degreaser from a local auto parts store, and I'm actually just going to spray that in the cylinder. You can also use engine oil. I only use this because it's a spray can. It just makes it a little bit easier. You do have to make sure everything is completely coated though inside, because if it's not completely coated, you could actually really damage the cylinder wall. So you got to make sure it's coated in some sort of oil, and then just kind of get started. So this is not a quick process by any means, so you're going to take a few seconds per cylinder. Okay guys, so we got our block honed. Now we're gonna do the head surface. I have a sharpening stone here. I'm just gonna put a bunch of oil on that, put some on the deck surface. And let's see. Not bad. Not effing bad. That one's actually empty too. All right.